What is going on today, YouTube? I hope you guys are having another good day. Today is Sunday. Real quick shout out for 3 days in a row videos. If you really enjoy that, me bringing content to you the last 3 days, please do me a favor, smash that thumbs up on this video because it really helps out the channel a lot. And you guys know that I'm super appreciative for you guys watching my videos, comment on the comments, all that good stuff, okay? So today's video, I'm going to let y'all know right ahead, is we're going to be doing a color match on the grill. And this, whatever this piece down here is called, I don't know what it's called, but we're color matching it, okay? Well, that's gonna be black, okay? So I'm gonna explain to you guys real quick what the goal is gonna be. Super simple. I'm not using plasti dip for the grill part. I'm using actual paint because I don't want it to peel and chip. I've never plasti dipped anything before, so this is gonna be the first time I plasti dip something. So I'm gonna plasti dip that bottom chrome piece. I'm gonna plasti dip it black. I'm looking forward to seeing how it's going to come out because I've never done it before. So I think it's going to be good. And I'm going to show you guys what I'm thinking, what I got going on in my head right now, okay? So let me show y'all. Alright, so we got the grill, right? So what I'm going to do is the outside trim is going to be white with black grill inserts, okay? So this is all going to be white, and then the inserts are going to be black. And then I'm going to see if I can pop this off, and I'm going to make this gold, like the same gold that I have on the shocks or the coils, okay? And then down here, we're gonna plasti dip all that black. So we got our little work cut out for us today, but this also at the same time, it's not gonna take extremely long. Let me show you guys. If you come in here, in order to get the grill off, you take that off, you take those out. So when I say those, I'm talking about like those two ones there, those two there, and then those two there, okay? And then you gotta disconnect the latch for, you gotta disconnect the, the latch for the, so that way the hood stays on, if that makes sense, okay? So I'm gonna pop this off, get this taken off. We'll get it, I'm gonna take it to the side of the house. A second, look all weird. I'm gonna take it into the house, gonna clean it up, or not in the house, on the side of the house, I'm gonna wash it down, dry it off, that way there's no dirt, or I'll probably just wipe it down with some rubbing alcohol. Actually, I'm gonna do that because it's quicker. I'm wiping down some rubbing alcohol, get the surface clean. The goal is to be able to, I'm just gonna scuff it up, because this is all plastic, so I'm just gonna scuff it up real lightly with some sandpaper, not trying to get it all stripped down. I'm just gonna scuff it up nice and good, that way the paint will be able to bond to it, okay? Because I went ahead, and once again, I'm trying this out because I've never used this before. I'm using paint and primer, so that way I'm gonna save time not having to prime it, wait, and then paint. You know, I'm big into prep work. You guys saw how my coils came out all along with my shocks and stuff on the truck. So you guys know when it comes to painting, especially on my truck, I'm not trying to be, you know, messing around with it. I want it to come out looking clean. So we're going to be doing that, all right? One more thing. So like I said, one more thing also, I took a picture of when I bought the cans and the stuff on Instagram, and I went ahead and I said the first person who comments saying what I got to do, you will get a shout out on the channel. And like I said, I'm going to deliver that. So shout out to my brother Mikey_Carper. You were the first one to figure it out. You know, he commented and he was like, you're gonna get rid of the rest of the chrome, which is pretty much what I'm doing. So thank you for commenting. You guys do me a favor, check out his channel. He has an Instagram channel with a bunch of nice truck. He has a nice Ram 2500 on there. Check it out. He has good stuff. I will put a link to his Instagram down below in the description box, and I'll probably have his little name pop up somewhere on the screen here. So once again, Mikey_Carper. He was the first one to find out and figure out what was going to be going on today with the Cummins. So yeah, I'm going to get you guys set up on the tripod. We're going to get this bad boy taken off, and we're going to get this cracking, okay? Really exciting. So real quick, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these off. I mean, it's real simple. They're just clips. You got to be careful now because, you know, this grill is probably 10 years old, like the truck, so a lot of this plastic is brittle. So be careful, take your time when you're doing it so you don't snap all your little stuff off. And yeah, once I get this off, we're going to move to the backyard, and I'm going to sand it, wipe it down, paint it, let it sit in the sun so it can dry. And then I can't wait to see how this comes out, okay? So I'll get back with y'all as soon as I get this off and as soon as I get set up in the backyard, okay? So I got it, went ahead and took it off now. So now I'm gonna go ahead. This is some super light sandpaper. I don't even know what grit it is, but pretty much just gonna go along it. I'm gonna do that. And the reason why I'm doing this is so that way it can adhere, the paint and primer can adhere to the plastic a little bit better. That way it's not on a slick, smooth surface. Okay? Alright you guys, so as you can see I went ahead and scuffed up the grill. By looking at it, you can clearly tell. And I didn't go crazy on it, you know what I'm saying? I just scuffed it up. I don't even know if it picks it up that good. I just went ahead and just scuffed it up enough to where you can get it to bond and adhere to it, you know what I'm saying? So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this down with some rubbing alcohol, because you wanna have a nice clean, flat, dry surface before you start painting. And then I'm gonna hang her up. I was gonna do it in the backyard, but it's hot as hell outside. So I got my little ghetto, you know, paint booth. I'm gonna hang it up and just start painting. All right. YouTube. So I went ahead and this is the emblem that was on the front of the grill. I went ahead and primed it and I let it sit for about 15 minutes now. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to apply, oh man, kind of close. Let me get back. I'm going to go ahead and apply some of this paint. Now if y'all remember, this is the paint I use on my coil springs, but I'm going to try it on this to see how it holds up, okay? Because you guys know this stuff right here is the bomb, okay? VHT engine metallic. I love this color. This is the color of my springs. This is the color of my steering stabilizers and my rear shocks, okay? So I'm a huge fan of this color and this paint, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on here and we're gonna see how it holds, because I'm really curious, you know? Alright you guys, this is the first coat. I know you can barely tell, you know, it blends in with the paper kind of good, but this is it, okay? So, oh man, this is gonna look beautiful. I just have such a good feeling about this, you know what I'm saying? Like, my goodness, man, look at that. This is gonna contrast so well. That right there is the center ram emblem. It's gonna contrast so well with this grill, man. I'm telling you, it's just gonna pop. This is the white grill, for those of you guys that don't know. So this is white. It's gonna look so good right now. Oh my goodness, we got that. We got the gold grill, the gold ram emblem with the black inserts, man. I can't wait for this, man. I hope you guys are excited as me. And we still have to paint that chrome piece on the ram, on the truck. We still got to paint that chrome bar, but we might not get that done today due to weather, because it looks like it's supposed to rain today. And I was reading the instructions with Plasti Dip. It needs at least 30 minutes between coats, and it needs 4 hours before like any type of movement or anything. Okay, so all right, YouTube, welcome. Oh, god damn it! All right, you guys, what's going on? I'm back today for another morning. Gonna finish this video up to this morning real quick. I went ahead and I finished putting the clear coat. I wasn't gonna show you guys me spraying clear on the grill because I mean, can't really see anything. So I went ahead and put the clear on the grill inserts, the outside trim, and the ram emblem. I put it all back together, and I installed it onto the truck. It looks amazing. I'm not going to show you guys until I finish plasti dipping the bottom piece right here. So I'm going to show y'all what I'm working with right now. The grill, give y'all a little sneak peek. Too much. All right. So the grill's installed. I got my ghetto tape job going on right here. I'm about to plasti dip this piece right here black. I just want to show y'all what I was doing. Also, I'm gonna clean this up right here. This all looks ugly as shit. So I'm gonna go ahead. I got some flat black enamel paint. I'm gonna hit this all up just to help clean it up because it looks bad right now. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and get y'all on the camera. We'll get a time lapse set up and then we're gonna go ahead and do this. Okay. Alright, you guys, are you ready to see this right now? I don't think y'all ready. Okay, it looks good. It does have a couple little quirky things about it that I'm not a huge fan of, but I think it looks good nonetheless. Okay, so here we go. Ooh, there it is. Now the hood is not closed right now. See that? Ooh, man. That looks good. Now the white is slightly off. It's not 100% white like my truck is. It's kind of off a little bit, man. But I'm hoping that might go away after the sun hits it for a little bit. I doubt it will, but it might. So you can see here, I painted the intercooler AC condenser. It's all nice and flat black. It looks beautiful, so now you won't see all the nastiness behind the grill like how it was before. The plasti dip job, I mean, it looks good. It came out good to me. Kind of wondering if I should have did it white. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like that piece down there black, or should I have made it white? You know, I don't know. I think it looks good, man. So this is gonna be the first time I'm closing the hood right now. And that's it. Oh, damn. It looks like another truck, man. It looks completely different. Let me know what y'all think. Okay. That gold Ram emblem. It sets it off, man. I'm telling you, it sets it off. It looks like I feel like I just bought another truck. I know it sounds cheesy, weird, but I'm digging it, man. Wow. I just want y'all to be able to see this, man. I just had some water hit it. What are you doing? Go back inside. Dang. Boy, that thing look clean. That's it, y'all. That is it. Give y'all a little side shot real quick of the truck. She's dirty right now. I gotta wash her. But I got another video I'm gonna be dropping in terms of washing and stuff. I think it'll be helpful for you guys out there with diesel trucks or big trucks or big vehicles. I'm gonna drop that later on this week, maybe this Friday or Saturday, because I gotta go back to work tomorrow, Tuesday. But I dig it. Please let me know what y'all think, because I'm in love with it right now. Oh my goodness. So I know I made a shout out earlier to the first person who was able to figure out what I was going to do with those paint cans on the Instagram, but a lot of people answered the question. A lot of y'all answered it right, so I'm still going to shout all y'all out just cause. All right, I think it's you know, a good thing to do. So as you guys know, I said earlier, Mikey_Carper was the one who I got my phone here. I'm reading off my phone. he was the one who figured it out. So shout out to Mike. Thanks for figuring it out, or being the first one to say what it was I was doing, and you were correct. Okay, but also one of my buddies I work with at work, Scott and Allen. Shout out to him too, because he's been telling a bunch of Marines about my channel and stuff, and I appreciate it. And good looking out, bro, because you know it's always good to help out people when you can. So definitely. We also got let's see, who else was it? We got Grayson Lake. All right, so these are all Instagram names, by the way. Grayson Lake. He also named it out. Lamoda_Mega. He also guessed something too. Who else we got? Actually, I think that was it, really. Oh wait, no, I lied. We got Frank 1E_909. You too, you definitely did it. You guessed something too, also. You know what I'm saying? And then we also got C Adams 412. He also figured it out too. If I missed anybody else that suggested what was going on, I apologize. I was just going off my phone real quick. It is hot and blazing out here right now. I don't know if you can see the beads of sweat coming down my head, but it's hot right now. It looked good, man. I love it. I think it came out real good. That color match, it tied it in, man. It brought it in, definitely. Let me know what y'all think, okay? Because I think it came out clean. The off-white is it's not aggravating me, but I can tell if you glance at it, you can't notice it, but if you look at it hard, you can tell the difference in the white. Maybe I should have bought the white color code paint, you know, that matches the truck. No biggie, no biggie. So definitely, until next time though, this is gonna do it for that video. All right, so until next time, y'all take it easy. Hopefully this video helps y'all out, or y'all get some ideas on what you want to do to your truck. This was an experiment, okay? So by no means was this me saying this is how you professionally do this, or this is how you make your truck, you know what I'm saying? This is an experiment. I experimented with it. I like the way it came out and looked, and it looks good. So definitely. So until next time, y'all take it easy, be safe. Hey, do me a favor, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and give me a like on this video, because y'all know how much that helps out the channel so much. Until then, we got some things coming in on the channel too, so don't go to sleep on me, okay? Because I got 2 video reviews I got to do on products that are getting sent out to me. I'm not going to tell y'all what the product is going to be. If you want to, in the comment section below, go ahead and put what do you think is getting sent out to me to be able to do a review on that. I'm going to be, and it's something that I will be installing on the truck. So if you want to go ahead and get a crack at that, by all means, tear it up in the comment description down below. But once again, you guys know I'm grateful, I'm thankful for all you guys watching my videos. And until next time, y'all take it easy, be safe, and peace out. I had to give y'all this. I just wanted y'all to see it one more time, okay? And I'm done. Wow. Look how the grill sits in there. You know what I'm saying? All right, we out.